Namaste. Welcome to morning yoga. Let's begin right away on all fours. With your knees directly under your hips, wrists directly under your shoulders. Fan out your fingers wide. As you breathe in through your nose, drop your belly, slightly lift your chin. Exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, arch your spine, open your chest, cow pose. Exhale, round your back, hollow out your belly for cat pose. Do a few more on your own. Follow your breath. And slowly come back to a neutral spine. We'll keep warming up our spine. So take a deep breath in. Breathe out, look over your right shoulder. Breathe in. Begin to round your spine, chin to your chest. Breathe out. And then keep going, look over your left shoulder. Keep breathing, arch your spine. Go back, looking over your right shoulder. Try to make the movement as fluid as possible. Try to make circles. It doesn't matter how it looks like. Just move your spine in all directions. Then also draw circles in the other direction with your spine. This is a really nice spinal warm-up. Not just your back, but also your hips and chest. And then let's finish with one round spine. Press the earth away. And then come to neutral spine. Good job. Now lengthen out your left leg, flex your left foot. We'll thread the needle. As you inhale, raise your left arm up. Exhale, thread it under and cross it over towards your right side. Rest on your left cheek and left shoulder. Keep your right hand on the floor or extend it towards the front of your yoga mat. Thread the needle pose. It's a good stretch for your hips and shoulders. There's a twist as well. Slowly come back, raise your left arm up and place it back down under your left shoulder. Bring your left knee in, straighten out your right leg, flex your right foot, we're switching sides. Inhale. Lift your right arm up and cross it under and over towards your left. Lower your chest down, rest on your right cheek and right shoulder. You can keep your left hand where it is or extend it out towards the front of your yoga mat. And enjoy a good stretch. Take a long, slow, deep breath. Place your left hand back and come back. Raise your right arm up and come back on all fours. Good work. For puppy pose, slowly walk your hands out towards the front of your yoga mat. Melt your heart down and place your forehead on the ground. You can rest on your fingertips or on your palms, however it feels good. Make sure that your hips are right above your knees. And again, take a long, slow, deep breath in and out through your nose. And release, slowly walk yourself back on all fours. And then lower yourself all the way down, lie down on your tummy with your legs extended right behind you. Keep your hands directly under your shoulders, pinch your elbows together. As you inhale, peel your chest and chin up, gaze forward. Keep breathing in cobra pose. Exhale, lower your forehead down. And then let's take another nice back stretch, Sphinx pose. Rest your elbows under your shoulders, resting on your forearms, palms are facing down. Gaze forward in Sphinx pose. Shine your heart forward. Beautiful. And then release, lower your forehead down, place your hands under your shoulders, and push yourself up on all fours. Bring your left knee slightly in, and then bring your left foot out towards your left side. Turn your body open towards the right side. Extend your right leg out and lift your right arm up and over for modified side plank. Take a nice deep breath. Enjoy a nice side body stretch. And on your next inhale, push yourself away from the earth. Bring your right hand over towards your right leg and lift your left arm up and over, stretching out your left side body for a gate pose. And then slowly windmill your arms back to your mat. Turn yourself back to center, back on all fours, switching sides. Turn your right foot out towards your right side. Open your body to your left side, extend your left leg, and reach your left arm up and over, modified side plank. As you inhale, lift your left arm up, place your right hand on your right leg, come into gate pose, breathe deeply. And then slowly windmill your arms back down on all fours. Nicely done. And then let's take a toe stretch. So you're sitting on your heels with your toes curled under, and check your little pinky toe, make sure that it's pointing forward. And then sit on your heels for a moment. If it's too intense, you can just take a normal cross-legged position. And we'll add some shoulder rolls. Hold on to your shoulders, then draw 2 circles with your elbows towards the back. And switch direction. Draw circles with your elbows towards the front. Good work. Release. Extend your arms out to the sides. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, bring your right ear to your right shoulder for a nice neck stretch. Then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, left ear to your left shoulder. Good job. Inhale. Lift your arms up, interlace your hands. Turn your palms up towards the sky and stretch yourself out, lengthen your spine. Breathe deeply and release. Release your toes. Maybe you want to wiggle your toes for a second here. And then take a seat in a cross-legged position. Breathe in. Lift your right arm up. Breathe out. Rotate your chest to your left. Place your right hand on your left knee. Left hand next to your left seat on the floor. Take a deep breath in your twist pose. And then inhale. Reach your left arm up and over. Reach for your right knee. And then turn your upper body towards the center. Lower your head down. Round your spine. Give yourself a nice stretch here. And then slowly release. Lift your arms up. Lengthen your spine. Stretch out. As you exhale, twist your chest to the right. Left hand on your right knee, right hand next to your right seat on the floor. Take a deep breath. Then inhale. Reach your right arm up and over. Hold on to your left knee with your right hand. And bring your upper body back to center, chin to your chest. So your arms are crossed here. And really enjoy a good stretch. Breathe into it. Beautiful, and then release. Lift your arms up. Give yourself another nice stretch. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, open your arms into cactus position. Open your chest. Exhale, bring your elbows and hands together, chin to your chest. Inhale, open your chest, bring your arms out to the sides. Keep your cactus arms. Exhale, close back down. Then inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, lower your arms down. And then let's seal our practice together. Breathe in, circle your arms up. Breathe out, unite your hands and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time to stretch and move and breathe mindfully. May this practice be a blessing to you, and thank you so much for joining me in this practice. From my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new yoga videos every Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you soon again.